The newspaper, it's dead. TV news, who watches that anymore? If you're part of Gen Z, chances are you don't get your daily dose of news from these sources. Instead, you get it from the most unlikely of places, TikTok. Now, TikTok isn't exactly known for being a credible news source, but that doesn't seem to matter much to Gen Z. And why is that? Well, in today's video, we'll take a look at how TikTok is replacing traditional news outlets and what this means for the future of journalism. If you want to stay up to date with the most important news, then make sure to subscribe so you never miss an upload. So first things first, how did this even happen? How did TikTok turn into a news platform? Well, the answer is pretty simple. It didn't. TikTok has simply grown to become the most popular app among young people. So when big news breaks, they turn to TikTok to see how other people are reacting to it. For example, last year, TikTok was the most popular source of news for 60% of Gen Zers when it came to the Russia-Ukraine conflict. That number drops down to 39% for millennials. But why do people trust TikTok more than traditional news outlets? Well, according to a survey conducted by the Reuters Institute for the Study of Journalism, young people feel like there's a disconnect between traditional media and their everyday lives. As such, they feel like TikTok and other social media platforms better reflect their reality. Additionally, young people have grown to distrust mainstream media organizations as they believe that these organizations are controlled by large corporations and wealthy individuals who use them to push their own agendas. In other words, they believe that there's a lot of fake news out there and they don't want to fall for it. That's not to say that everyone on TikTok is some beacon of truth either. Many TikTok influencers and content creators have their own biases and opinions. In fact, some of them have been accused of being paid by governments or large corporations to spread pro-government propaganda. Nonetheless, young people are willing to take these risks as they believe that it's better to get their news from regular people rather than large media conglomerates. Now another reason why TikTok is so popular is because people tend to go to TikTok for entertainment rather than information. As such, they're more likely to believe whatever they see on their For You pages. In other words, young people are willing to believe whatever fits their narrative and they are more likely to come across such content on TikTok than anywhere else. It also has to be said that TikTok news tends to spread a lot faster than traditional news. This is due to the virality of the platform. The TikTok algorithm is designed to keep users on the app for as long as possible. As such, it will push content to people's For You pages regardless of whether or not it's true. For example, during the war between Russia and Ukraine, many people turned to TikTok to see what was going on. After all, it was the fastest way to get real-time updates on the conflict. However, this also meant that fake videos and images started circulating online. But by then it was too late. The damage was already done. The problem with TikTok is that anyone can post anything. There's no system in place to check whether or not what people are posting is true. And even if something is fake, it doesn't really matter. Users don't fact-check what they see on TikTok. They just believe it and share it with others. And by the time someone realizes that what they posted is fake, it's already too late. It's gone viral. All of this is bad news for traditional media organizations. TV networks and newspapers have been losing viewers and readers for years now. Younger generations simply don't get their news from these sources. As such, news organizations are scrambling to figure out what to do. Some of them have decided to join TikTok in order to reach younger audiences. Others have yet to figure out what their strategy is. This leaves us with one final question: what does this all mean? Well, basically, this means that the age of traditional news is coming to an end. We're entering a new era of decentralized, user-driven news. Anyone will be able to report on any story from anywhere in the world. But while this may sound like a good thing, it's not. Without established news organizations to hold people accountable, it's likely that fake news will run rampant. In short, you need to be careful about what you see on TikTok. Not everything you see is true. But that's just what I think. Do you think TikTok is a reliable news source? Comment below. And if you want to see more videos like this, then make sure to subscribe.